Hey friends, welcome to our channel. Let's fly together, a step towards financial freedom. So this video is in continuation with my previous video, but we are going to talk about the process in bit detail. In case you have not seen my previous video, I would request you to go through it so that you know who we are, what is the objective, and you can be aligned towards our objective. So let's start with this particular video in which I am going to talk about the four pillars or verticals for our financial freedom. If you see my screen, there are four verticals. First is knowledge sharing. Second, news and opinion analysis. Third, result analysis. Fourth, other topics. In our first vertical, there are many points which we are going to cover, and we think that budgeting is the first topic and the important topic for an individual. In this, we are going to explain why budgeting is important, how you can do it, and also will share our knowledge to manage your cash flows. On this vertical, second point will be emergency funds. We will explain why emergency fund is important, what should be the quantum of it, and why it is very relevant in current times. Third topic on the block will be insurance, in which we are going to talk about term and medical insurance, why it is important as part of financial planning process. So you will agree that we need to protect our family members or the loved ones in case of unfortunate events. So this particular topic will help you to identify which term or the medical insurance you should take, what should be the quantum of it, and what should be the tenure around it. Fourth topic on this block or pillar will be investment options. So you must have heard about provident fund, NPS, mutual funds, debt fund, fixed deposits, and investing via stock market. Fifth point on this vertical will be fundamental analysis of companies. So in case you are planning to invest directly in stock market, so this point is going to be of utmost important for you, because by looking at this you are going to avoid the companies whose financials are very bad, or also you are going to avoid penny stocks. You are going to avoid, I would say, the operator's game in which they loot your money. Talking about the topics that we are going to cover in fundamental analysis is how to see the trajectory of top line, trajectory of bottom line, debt to equity ratio, asset turnover ratio, price to earning ratio, return on equity, return on capital employed, and there are a lot of other things that we can see. And I will also help you to analyze it on various portals. So keep watching this particular thing or this particular vertical in case you want to invest directly in stock market. Second point on, or the second vertical, is news and opinion analysis. So there are a lot of news which comes day in day out impacting the company. So we need to see whether the impact of the news is positive or negative. In case negative, whether it is going to be a long term impact or a short term impact, and whether we should be worried about that particular negative news or not. Third vertical is result analysis. So companies post their results on quarterly basis. So we need to see that the company is performing as per expectations or not, whether we should be holding that company or we should be investing in some other good company. So just to give you an example, suppose the company's top line has grown by 10% year on year, while company's bottom line is only up by 2% year on year. So we are going to analyze the reason around it. Just to give you an example, the reason can be pressure on margin, wherein cost for raw material has increased, or there is some exceptional item. So this kind of analysis we are going to do in this particular vertical. Next topic on the block or next pillar is other topics. In this particular vertical we are going to talk about budget. So as this is a starting point, so we are going to analyze budget 2022, see its impact on various sectors, be it pharma, infra, realty and others. We are also going to see its impact on our tax implications. Tax implication will also cover tax planning part for provident fund, fixed deposits, ELSS, mutual funds, investing via stock market. Last point on the block can be the topics that you ask for or clarifications that you ask for. Suppose we have uploaded a video and you need some clarifications around it. So either we are going to upload some video or put up some notes for your reference so that the concepts are crystal clear with you guys. So like I mentioned in my previous video, this channel is to make you self-reliant so that you can learn and achieve your financial freedom. In case you like our content, I would request you to share with your family and friends. Also subscribe to the channel so that you are aware when new videos are in. Thanks for watching friends. Have a good day. Happy learning.